it said like really dark. Down. Funeral. Okay, guys, we can hear you if you want to talk to us through this box. Anything you want to tell us? Something in the house. It said, what's your name? Did you hear it?
Do you know my husband's name?
I heard my name. I said Carrie. So yeah. The male that lives here, do you know his name? Okay, either I'm going crazy or it said it is Jesus.
Are you joking?
I got it on video, so we'll play it back. Were you murdered? How did you die?
Murder.
Dirty. Blood. Did you hear blood? I heard that clear as day. Okay, did any of you guys know these people when you were alive? I heard one yes.
Is there anybody that haunts this location?
Me? Sometimes I get EVPs. Oh.
Gina?
If you guys just want to sit down for a minute.
Yeah.
I think it just said sit.
Do you know my dog's name?
Please don't what? You know, you can use this box to communicate with us through the AM frequencies. No. Did you hear it say no?
Children. Soldier or children? There's a female too.
Yeah.